This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a Java exam. First, focus on mastering the fundamental building blocks of Java programming. This includes understanding object-oriented principles, data types, and control flow. Practice writing small code snippets to solidify your grasp of these core concepts. Make sure you can explain each concept clearly, as this will help you apply them in more complex scenarios during the exam. Next, consistent practice is absolutely key to success. Solve a wide variety of practice problems, including those from previous exams, to familiarize yourself with question types and formats. Actively debug your code to understand why errors occur, which significantly improves your problem-solving skills. Engaging in coding challenges also helps sharpen your logical thinking and ability to implement solutions efficiently. As you progress, familiarize yourself with more advanced Java topics such as the collections framework, exception handling, and multithreading. Leverage official Java documentation and reputable online tutorials for in-depth explanations and examples. Additionally, joining a study group can be incredibly beneficial. Discussing complex concepts with peers often provides new perspectives and reinforces your understanding. On exam day, prioritize getting a good night's sleep. A well-rested mind performs best. Read every question thoroughly before you begin answering to avoid misinterpretations. Manage your time wisely, allocating appropriate minutes to each section. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Stay calm, trust your preparation, and do your best. Good luck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.